Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with another video. In today's video, we're not learning. I'm just here to say thank you to you guys. Basically, as I'm filming this video currently, I'm at 472 subscribers, and I know that in no time I'm going to hit 500. So I decided to just film my thank you for 500 video right now for you guys. I already shared the tutorial on how I made this scrunchy headband. Just in case you're watching this video for the first time or you're seeing me for the first time and you like what I have on my hair, I'm going to link the video where I showed how to make this somewhere here on the screen, so you can feel free to go ahead to check that out. But yeah, basically, like I said, this video is a thank you video. Thank you for every single one that is a member of this family. Thank you for just being part of this family. Thank you for supporting me in any way, shape or form, by liking, commenting, even if you don't drop comments, right? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just vibing with me and coming with me on this journey. This journey started last year, and I know it might seem like it's just 500 subscribers, why is she so happy? But 500 subscribers is like a very huge deal for me, and I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, I would like to know more of what you guys would love to see from me. Let me know the kind of content you want to see from my channel going forward, the kind of stuff. If you've been enjoying my DIY videos, because I've been doing a lot of DIY videos, hairstyling videos and stuff like that. If you guys have been enjoying those types of comments, please hit the like button. Depending on the number of likes I get on this video, I'll know if you guys are enjoying those types of content or not. Also, let me know if you have other types of videos that you'd love to see from me. Drop it down in the comment section so I know what you guys like, basically. So yeah, I'm not going to drag this video for too long. This video is not it's not going to be long at all. I'm just here to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, we are on the way to 1,000 now. Make sure you subscribe. If you're watching this video, if you're watching this my thank you for 500 video and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please, you like it here already, you've made this to this point, hit the subscribe button, okay? Join the family and become one of us. Also tap the bell notification so you don't miss out of any one of my videos. Most times when you don't hit that bell notification, you tend to miss out on videos when I drop them. So if you know you want to be the first person to know whenever I drop a video, make sure you tap the bell notification, like this video, comment, watch other videos. I'm going to have some of my videos linked on here, especially for people that are new on here and you've not really watched a lot of my content. I'm going to leave a playlist and a video right here. Make sure you go ahead to catch up on those videos. And yeah, thank you guys again. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. 1,000 subscribers. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, bye.